Today I'm going to show you how to grease the rear axle bearing on your Arctic Cat ATV. There's a few tools required for this. You need a breaker bar, a ratchet, 17mm extension, 15mm, 13mm, some needle nose pliers for the cotter pin, 30mm socket for the axle nut, torque wrench, cheater bar for the breaker bar to make the breaker bar a breaker bar. The bearing greaser has a grease arc and it greases the bearing from the inside. We also have a grease gun. You also might need a shop rag. We also have this contraption, which I will show you how it works later on in the video. First off, we're going to loosen the lug nuts. Jack the wheel up off the ground. Now that we got the wheel off the ground, finish taking off the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the cotter pin. Like this. Lines up with the lug nuts so we can get some torque on the nut. You're going to slip on lug nuts to snug this down. This is my homemade axle nut remover. And breaker bar with the cheater bar. Remove the bottom A-arm. Here. Swing our axle up out of the way. We're going to slip our bearing greaser in there. Pump some grease in. And then pull that all out. Flip this back out. Get our axle back in here, line up. Back in the bottom A-arm. Hold our axle out here. We're going to tighten up our lower A-arm to 50 pounds. Axle nut. Tighten down our axle nut. Grab our breaker cheater bar. Thingamajigger. Tighten that back down. And then line up with a hole for our cotter pin. Get this out of the way. Slip a new cotter pin in and twist it over. Grab your wheel. Snug down. 60 foot-pounds for the back wheels and lug nuts. Alternate back and forth. That's how to grease your axle bearing. You're going to need just that grease tool. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. Got more videos coming.